Kickstart MDM to manage company-owned Android devices. Enrollment is your first crucial step. It's the process of adding managed devices to the MDM admin console. You've got 5 options to get devices enrolled with Android Enterprise. QR code enrollment is the most commonly used one. This video is your ultimate guide to Android QR code enrollment. During the enrollment process, the QR code can be used to pre-configure device settings, pre-install apps, and group devices automatically. Now, let's dive into how to use QR code enrollment in Android MDM. First of all, find Create Template in the MDM admin console. Click it and you will proceed to the setting options. You can select device group or policy and kiosk files. In addition, you can select apps to be installed automatically. Enable system apps and set up default language, time zone, or Wi-Fi. In device enrollment, you can see 4 methods. Choose one based on needs and select the template you just created. A QR code will be generated. Now, factory reset your device and then turn on the camera to scan the QR code. The MDM app will be installed automatically after connecting to a network. How to group devices using a QR code. As you create a group, you can find the QR code by clicking it. Then, open the MDM app and scan the code to assign your managed device. Thanks for your watching. For more information, please visit our official website and have a free trial.